Oh, here's my invention. Good job. Whoa.
And 3, 2, 1, science. Oh, Fido's going for a dive. Et voila. Bizarre. La girafe, la petite girafe va y aller aussi. Et voilà. Okay, on va mélanger ça. We'll let that marinate for a second. They all kind of fit in there. I don't know, they didn't fit in there, but they fit in there. Ils rentrent pas au complet dans mon cornet. Don't have enough energy to push the balloon open, so they shrivel up. Donc les molécules d'air dans nos ballons, air never left our balloons, as we can see. It just took less space. Ça prenait juste moins de place. Now they shouldn't pop, but sometimes they do, depending on where they land. Ils ne devraient pas éclater, mais des fois ils vont le faire dépendamment de comment ils tombent. Puis là, on avait les 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ballons que j'ai mis au début. These are the 7 balloons that you guys saw in there. But before the show, I actually prepared a little surprise for you. There we go. Let's count them out. We had 7, I think I said 6 or 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ballons. J'avais 16 ballons, même plus au fait. I managed to fit 16, even 17 balloons into my small bucket here because the liquid nitrogen cooling it off and the air not having enough energy to keep them open. Donc, j'ai pu fitter 17 ballons dans mon contenant ici parce que ça n'aime pas les aimants. It does not like magnets. It actually creates kind of a little pocket around itself that repels the magnetic field, but allows just enough of it to go through to pin it in place. So this technology is actually currently used today in things like MRI machines to get those giant magnets spinning really fast without any friction. I tried too hard, j'ai essayé trop fort. Non, c'était So what we see here is the vapor from the boiling water and the air around us freezing instantly in a tiny, tiny crystalline form, just like in clouds. So voici la